Yes, friends, how are you all? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk narration. Yesterday we talked that in previous video we talked that how to change the tense, how to change pronouns. Okay, so today we will pay attention to examples. Okay, Sham, sad, Hari, grows plants. Okay. Sham said Hari grows plants. Okay. Reporting speech is in past tense. Okay. So we have to change the tense of reported class or reported speech. Okay. So Sham said that. Sham said that. Okay. Hari. Now we have to change the pronoun. Okay. So how to change the pronoun? There is a formula. Some formula. First person, second person, and third person. First person, second person, and third person. First person subject according, second person object according, third person no change. Okay, so he, she, it name, third person that Hari. Okay, now we have to pay attention to tense. Okay, this tense belongs to simple present tense. Okay, so simple present tense will be converted into simple past tense. So Hari grew plants. Okay, Sham said that Hari grew plants. Okay, next, if you talk that she said Anita is writing a story. Okay, she said that Anita is writing a story. Okay, now we have to pay attention to tense. Okay, this tense belongs to present continuous. Okay, so it will be converted into past continuous. She said that Anita was writing a story. Okay, she said that Anita was writing a story. Tense belongs to present continuous. Okay, and present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Okay, this one. Next, I said Ram has played a match. I said that Ram has played a match. Okay, tense belongs to present perfect. Okay, this is present perfect tense. Okay, now I said that Ram. Now present perfect will be converted into past perfect. Ram had played a match. Okay, Ram had played a match. Okay, this tense present perfect and this tense, okay, past perfect. Next, Ram said Anita went there. Okay, Ram said Anita went there. Okay, so Ram said that Anita. Okay, Now this is past tense. Okay, simple past tense. It will be converted into past perfect. Had gone there. Anita went there. Ram said that Anita had gone there. Okay, next. So once again we pay attention. Shyam said Hari grows plants. Okay, simple present tense. Okay, this is simple past tense. Okay, verb second form. Is writing. Okay, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, simple past tense, and this one past perfect tense. Okay. Next, Ram said Shyam was playing cricket. Ram said Shyam was playing cricket. Okay, so past continuous. Okay, so it will be converted into past perfect continuous. Ram said that Shyam had been playing cricket. Okay, Ram said that Shyam had been playing cricket. Okay, next, if we talk about some cases, teacher said the sun rises in the east. Okay, the teacher said the sun rises in the east. Okay, the teacher said the sun rises in the east. Okay, so it shows universal truth. Universal truth. Okay. It shows universal truth. Okay. Whether reporting speech is in past tense, okay, so the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. Okay, so the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Okay, so it is universal truth. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Second, the teacher said birds fly in the sky. The teacher said birds fly in the sky. Okay, this is the customary action. Customary action. Okay, this is customary action. Adat sambandhi karya. Okay, so the teacher said that birds fly in the sky. The teacher said that birds fly in the sky. Next, if we talk about the teacher said fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. Okay. This is a proverb, idioms and proverbs. Okay. Okay. In that situation, in that condition, in idioms and proverbs, okay, it will be same. The teacher said that fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. Okay. The teacher said honesty is the best policy. Okay. Honesty is the best policy. So the teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Idioms, it means muhavre. Okay. And proverbs, kahavate lokatiyan. Right. So idioms, muhavre. Okay. Proverbs, lokatiyan, kahavat. Okay. Next, the teacher said India got freedom in 1947. Okay. The teacher said India got freedom in 1947. Okay. So this is historical fact. This is historical fact. Okay. So the teacher said that India got freedom in 1947. Okay. So universal truth, customary action, historical fact, idioms and proverbs. Okay, whether reporting speech is in past tense, but the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच पास्ट टेंस में है तो भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट, he said I do my work myself. Okay, he said I do my work myself. Okay, he said that. Now I, first person. Okay, so it requires subject. What is subject? Subject is he, that, he. Okay, tense, it is a present tense. Okay, I do my work myself. Okay, so he did. Now his work himself. Okay, he said that he did his work himself. Okay, so how to change pronoun? Okay, like it. Next, Rakhi said to Hari, or we can write here Ram said to hurry, you do not touch your bag yourself. Okay, Ram said to Hari, okay, you do not touch your bag yourself. Okay, so how to change it? Ram, now said to will be converted into told. Told Hari. Okay, now you, it is second person, it requires object. Object is Hari. Okay, he. Now do not, okay, it is present tense. Okay, he did not, okay, touch, okay, your bag, okay, it will be his bag, himself. Okay, so Ram told Hari, sorry, Ram told Hari that he did not touch his bag himself. Now, once again, let's pay attention. He said, I do my work myself. So he said that, okay, he did his work himself. Do, okay, it will be converted into past tense. Okay. Ram said to Hari, you do not touch your bag yourself. So Ram told Hari that you, okay, it is second person, it requires object. He do not, it will be did not touch his bag himself. Okay. So friends, we talked today that how to change tenses and how to change pronoun, okay, with the help of examples. Okay, so it is narration, narration. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.